I quick temper.
Why a legend? What face be bizarre? I was stage. Obia ye be to me say, I didn't to me a brave soon say.
Yeah, that's one thing about stage is so what you say you are the performer. Center of attraction, let me focus on it's one basic thing every performer must know. And if you are able to lose concentration to the extent that you are able to hear or see something negative in the crowd,
that's how we lose concentration.
Then I think you need to start to look at your craft very well.
Okay.
You must understand stage.
Okay.
They lay a preamble down for almost every artist because I want to believe, I don't want to care who likes me and who didn't like me, who is at the premises. At the end of the day, say a free show, what tickets now buy. So it means that I have a responsibility to entertain you. And no matter what, no one say even in the world of business, yes, the customer is always
right.
Right. And that should be something basic at the back of the mind of every performer.
Gotcha.
And concentration, say to me, what will act so well that, and it's so rehearsed that nothing can distract you.
Nothing can distract you.
What you say? I believe, he concentrated on the environment. A bit me at all, but I am not excited about the words he used. Words, yeah, let's be truthful. The words were not words that should come out, from the mouth of an artist of the stature or be a bogeneso. And I'll only advise by this time, he himself and his management should put a statement out to apologize for those words. I mean, it's that blunt. We must call a spade and a spoon a spoon. Now, moving forward now, he must understand he's in the eye of the public. Will be able to throw BB at you, but you need to manage it. You need to find a way to be able to manage it. At the end of the day, girl no cancer no. When in him will be any but you are the one who will be any. Yeah, and for me, I would say I've been able to manage most of these things because the team behind me also speak to you. They tell you how you must comport yourself. Would you mean and it will be at the eyes of the public?
Why encounter be that? We see sometimes we to me are rehearsing. So you be an instrumentalist. It me bad. We now we bet than a microphone.
Yeah. Yeah. Ningina can management, because apart from anything, one thing you must know, audience don't know the mistake in your music.
Yeah. Okay.
The audience don't know. Say be anke or say.
Me tell me to me damage my humble self.
I will not do anything. Let my crowd know. Be a keyboard player and nke so bo chord be no bo wrong chord.
It's a chord be why
exactly. But then believe you me, the audience don't know it's a wrong chord until you let them know that there's something wrong.
Okay.
And it's one thing every artist must know.
Okay.
The audience, because some we rehearse are now audience be any.
That be.
Into me funny a boy, and the aqua stage ni about do so.
Okay.
Audience no nim say na nke so mo me fa.
Okay.
So you the lead as
you need to know never say.
You see, yeah, there's one documentary I watched about Michael Jackson and his directors when he's performing at a concert. One of the directors said, we can rehearse everything. Some few minutes to the time of the stage, Michael Jackson bet me have a catch on say until you see my hand, don't cue anything. Though it's rehearsed, times obey, but Obeka director until you see me raise my hand, don't play the first note, and you must obey. And every performer, you must command your stage. You must own the environment. And to be behind me and super see bibi it's on you. You are feeling that. Yeah, it's on you.
But what could stage? You find say me be perform here. Obi a to be aboard.
No, it been told me that I've not experienced anything like that. Yeah, it been to me. I can't. I met me. I can't actually. I have had. I mean, wonderful reception in terms of my audience at almost every concert, and it's humbling. Media said I'm ready. It's said you see certain negative things. It could happen to you as well.
Yes.
But then, make us say you made me one for you. Yeah.
Yeah.